Hello, and welcome to another episode of English with Tammy. I'm here to help you on your English learning journey. Let's jump in. Vocabulary. Facade. Noun. A false appearance or impression. Complimentary. Adjective. Expressing praise or admiration. Implausible. Adjective. Difficult to believe, unlikely. Perpetual. Adjective. Lasting for a very long time or constantly happening. Inconsistencies. Noun, plural. Lack of agreement or variation. Intuition. Noun. A feeling that something is true without conscious reasoning. Cautious. Adjective. Careful to avoid danger or risk. Confirmation. Noun. The action of confirming something or the state of being confirmed. Deceptive. Adjective. Tending to mislead or deceive. Exploit. Verb. To take unfair advantage of someone or something. Romance scammers can be very good at creating a facade, but there are some red flags to watch out for. Love at first like. They profess their love very quickly, showering you with affection and compliments even if you haven't known them long. Mr. Ms. Perfect. Their profile seems flawless, great job, amazing stories, but often lacking details. Faraway fantasy. They're always far away, working overseas, on an oil rig, or somewhere that makes meeting difficult. Tech troubles. They avoid video chat or calls, citing technical difficulties or preferring to keep things old-fashioned, texting, emailing. Money on my mind. The conversation eventually turns to money. They may ask for help with travel expenses, medical bills, or investments that sound too good to be true. The perpetual problem child. They constantly have emergencies or problems, a sick relative, lost passport, stolen wallet, hoping to tug at your heartstrings and loosen your purse strings. Off the grid. They want to move communication off the dating platform to a private email or messaging service, making it harder to track them. Story inconsistencies. Their stories don't quite add up, with details that change or contradict each other. If you notice several of these signs, it's wise to be cautious. Here are some additional tips. Do a reverse image search. See if their profile picture appears elsewhere online. Scammers often steal photos from other sources. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't ignore your intuition. Never send money. No legitimate love interest will ask you for money online, especially before meeting. Keep things public. Communicate on the dating platform or social media for a while before going private. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. It's okay to take things slow and be cautious when dating online.